Hello, beautiful people. My name is Emma Moyer, and I am doing my very first PR unboxing. This is a company that reached out to me that I had heard of, but hadn't ever used their products before. I believe that they're in Ulta, maybe also Target, which would make sense since Ulta is now like in a partnership with Target. But yeah, so they're called Good Molecules, and their attempt is to make like quality, good skincare at an affordable price. And I did look over their website and looked at some of the products that they had on there, and they are pretty affordable. So I think that's really good for people that, are trying to save a buck, or that just don't have the money to spend on, top-notch $100 moisturizer, because honestly, who does? Like, I know I don't. So okay, let's see, how do I open this? I have scissors. This is like so exciting. I used to like make unboxing videos and stuff back in college. And my college self right now is a little bit like, oh my god, I can't believe I was sent something and I didn't have to pay for it. Okay, so I also love the color of the box. I'm a yellow girl, so also yellow aura, but I'm a yellow, pink, and purple aura. So, and look, they got the pink. They got all the colors. Okay, so it says, see a difference in your skin. After 10 years working in beauty, I can't talk. After 10 years working in beauty, there's a funny thing I noticed about skincare. Regardless of how much you spend, the results are usually the same. I didn't notice a difference in my skin. The truth is, most brands spend more on a jar than on the formula inside. I would not be surprised by that. And we wonder why their products don't work. That's the reason why we started Good Molecules, to create products that make a difference in your skin. Products filled with ingredients backed by science at a price that you can feel good about too. We publish a nothing to hide ingredient list on the side of each box, so you know exactly how much of each that we use. Love that, especially for people with allergies. I'm excited for you to try Good Molecules and see a difference in your skin. Tag us when you do. Hashtag Good Molecules. And that's from Nils, the co-founder. So, and also, they never test on animals. So that's awesome, because I have a dog and my dog would be like, what the fuck are you doing? Okay, so I love the paper. Honestly, like, I feel like some people like presentation doesn't matter, but like for me, I went to art school. Like, presentation does matter. I think that this is just literally the wrapping. Also, like, how cute is that? Very cute. I love whoever the graphic designer was for this. You're very smart. I love you. Okay. I can say that because I went to school for graphic design. I don't practice that. That's not what I ended up doing with my life, but I have a fond appreciation for it. Okay, so we have the discolor, like I said, I can't talk. Discoloration correcting serum, which improves the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. I can't say I really have much of that, but it does have some like anti-aging, depigmentation kind of stuff, to help with like having a naturally even skin tone. Maybe my skin tone's like pretty even, but I guess it could use a little bit of improvement. And they do have this broken down into like steps, like how you want to layer them. So honestly, some people don't know that. And sometimes I have to look it up. It's like, do I scrub after I moisturize, or not after, what the hell am I saying? I scrub after I cleanse my skin or before? Sometimes I have to look that up, because I don't do a whole regime. And should I be telling you this? But yeah, every day I moisturize. I don't always put SPF on, although I probably should. And I wash my face, but like, that's it. For myself, you don't really need more than that besides like makeup remover and all that. But Okay, so this is an ultra hydrating facial oil. So facial oils are really good for like the winter because they're very hydrating. Now, because I have combination skin, that's why, like, for me, I'd want to use it in the evening because it can get oily. And you really don't need that much when you're using facial oils. But yeah, this one has camellia. I honestly don't. I'm assuming that's a flower. I honestly don't know what that is. Sea buckthorn oils. Cool. Okay, then this one is the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. And it's formulated with niacinamide, arbutin, and I might be butchering these names, licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. Oh, this one's for me. Not that my pores are not that big, but I mean, they can always shrink. Okay, so then this is an overnight exfoliating treatment, which is cool because I've never tried anything like that before. I usually just exfoliate. You know, honestly, I don't even like scrub my face that often. I'm just gonna be real. Okay, but I do have a shit ton of products. I will also say that. So this promotes a brighter, fresher skin with balanced blend of glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acids. So with this one, you would apply a few drops to clean skin at night and fully absorb before applying other serums. Use up to 3 times per week, and it may cause irritation if you're using it with retinol or other acids. I like that it says the pH on the side. It is saying do it at night, and it looks like it might be saying that you should use SPF, which would make sense because I think every time you exfoliate your skin, you're kind of like getting rid of like the dead cells and exposing like the fresh, clean skin. So it would make sense to put some skin protectant, the sunscreen on. Yeah, and I love like on the side here how they break down like all of the ingredients. Which is like, I don't know if you've seen some of the ingredient lists. They are like 20, 30, 50 ingredients in them. So it's really interesting that they have like the percentage too. I haven't seen many companies do that. Let's see. So yes, like I said, they're at Ulta. I was right. So yeah, you can do them in different steps. There's like step 1, which is your cleansing. Step 2 is the toning. I don't think they gave me any toners, but they do sell that. They also have a treat serum to like treat like target areas or like put a serum on. Then you moisturize, and then the last step would be your SPF. And some of their best sellers that are starting at $5. They have a Clarify and Cleanse bar, which is just like literally soap right there. Then this one is a niacinamide brightening toner. So that's your toner. That would be your second step after cleansing. This one is a serum. That one, what does this say? Oh, that's the BHA Clarify Cream Gel. Then there's a Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. I feel like I need that. And a hyaluronic acid serum. I think I said that right. Yeah, hyaluronic acid serum. I might have butchered it a little bit, but yeah, so I kind of feel like I'm just gonna like look at these and like break it down. Like, okay, so exfoliating, that's exfoliating. Oh, wait, they did give me a toner. Duh, why didn't I say they didn't give me a toner? I am sometimes like a dumb blonde, and I can say that because I'm blonde, but okay. Yep, so that's gonna be your second step. So they have like the serum, This you can use to moisturize the facial oil. I'm thinking you'd want to cleanse, and then, yeah, look at me. Yeah, you want to do the serum, and then you want to moisturize. But they're not saying when to exfoliate, and I want to know that. Let's see. I mean, I'm assuming that you would just exfoliate right after you cleanse, because you would not be exfoliating skin that has like other products in it. Like that just doesn't, like, I don't know, using logic. Yeah, I would say after you wash your face, then you could just like follow up with one of these. But yeah, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like test these out for a little bit, and come back to the gram and to, you know, Instagram, YouTube, all of the medias, TikTok, and just kind of go through like one by one each product and whether I liked it and whether I felt like it did anything. Yeah, that is my plan. So stay tuned. It may take me a little bit because I actually do want to like spend some time with these and like actually keep track of my progress. But yeah, super exciting, and I cannot wait to let you know how I like each of them. All right, thank you.